My name is Rachel Doucette, and this is my beautiful wife, Rachel Doucette, and we are coming from Orlando, Florida. We are direct to Kyle and Nina Harry underneath Jason Mathis.
Before we found the Alliance, Jared was working, traveling a lot with his welding company, gone for not only days, but weeks and weeks at a time, which left me at home alone with the boys. Very limited time, limited freedom to do things. And I was also working 2 jobs as well. So there wasn't a lot of time to do anything, but when we came here, and now we have the chance to make our schedule and work when we want to work, and we get to kind of call the shots with our family, and it kind of changes everything. Being around more.
For me, one of the biggest parts was that change of schedule. Like Rachel said, I'd be gone for weeks at a time, and I was missing a lot of moments with my kids, and that's what's great about the Alliance, is that we get to bring them into it and continue to work as well. I mean, Rachel was just up in New Hampshire for 2 weeks working while with the kids, and I don't know too many jobs where you're able to make an income like this, bring your family along with you, and still keep working. It's just a great opportunity to have your family in with your business, and I really wouldn't change it for much of anything.
But the cool thing is too, the kids are constantly around all this success and supportive people, and even the money, so they have that mindset already where they have goals. Driving here, Carter's picking out mansions that he wants to live in. So it's pretty cool just to see how not only we're changing, but how they're changing to their mindsets. So.
Yeah, and the Alliance is a great place to kind of raise a family for those exact reasons. Our kids are around positive people. We never have to worry about anything when they're here. We always know they're well taken care of.